Hi everyone, welcome to BISP Solutions. My name is Farha Alam and here we are discussing about the inbound integration tool, or more specifically the HDL1, which is Human Capital Management Data Loader, for the purpose of bulk loading in the Oracle HCM cloud. And today we are going to load another business object, that is job, and we had discussed that for the purpose of loading. So we had discussed that for the purpose of loading, we can load all these business objects: grade, job, location, position, department, organization, worker, and so on. So in our previous session, we had successfully loaded or imported the grade business object, and today we are going to take a look. Today we are going to take a look on how can we import or load job business object. So in order to load it, firstly we have to prepare our date file, which is supported by HDL, and then we have to compress it or zip that date file, which is job in our case, and then we have to import that file in our cloud instance. So let me show you our date file first. So here is my date file, job date file. So here I had prepared this one, which contains the metadata row and merge row. Metadata contains all the headers for this particular date file for job, and merge row contains all the row data for the job. So let me just save this one. I'm going to save it on my desktop. The name. So here is my date file. I have saved it on my desktop, which is this one, job.date. You can see that type is date, and then we just have to compress it or zip this one. HDL, we will be able to load or import only zip file or compressed file in our uh, cloud instance. So here I have zipped this file. Now I have to go to my instance, and here is my instance. And in order to reach out to my inbound and outbound integration environment, I just have to go to my client group, and under it I have to uh, go to data exchange work area, where I'll be able to perform all kind of importing and exporting. So here I have to click on this import and load data object, and I have to delete all the files. These are basically in the previously loaded or imported files, so I am going to delete all these. So we just have to select the individual file, and here we have to click on delete. So I'm going to delete all these files. So here I have deleted all the previous file which we could see over here. Now I am going to load the file which we have just prepared for jobs. So what I have to do, I just have to click on this import file option, click on it, and then we have to select the file location. And where is my file? Basically it is on desktop. I have to search for it, and here is my file, job. Select it, click on open, and just click on this review parameter option to check what parameters we have in it. So I'm just going to disable this delete source file option. I don't want to delete the file from the source, so I just have to disable this option. Click on submit. We get one confirmation message that our process was submitted. Click on it, and then we have to click on this refresh button, and here we can see our file has been appeared over here. We just have to refresh it until we get the success message for this job file. You can see the extension is .zip, as HDL only supports the zip file. Keep on refreshing until we get the success message for this one. So here we got the success message for import status, but load status is still not processed, so we just have to refresh it. Now it is in progress status. We can see a clock over here. And here we got success for the import and load both the status, and our file has been successfully imported or loaded. Now the next step is just have to check whether this one is loaded in our instance or not. So in order to check it whether it has been successfully loaded or not, we just have to go to setup and maintenance. And we have to look for manage jobs, search for this task. Okay, just go to the global search task panel. Now search it over here, manage jobs. So here we are able to see a manage job. Click on it, and then we just have to go to our job file, which is this one, and we have to search the job by its name. So here the job name is sales consultant, administrator and manager. So I'm going to search sales consultant, search for this particular job. Either we are able to see some result for this one. So here we can see sales consultant has been successfully loaded. Now our next job is administrator. So we can see the administrator job is also successfully loaded, has been successfully loaded. Now the next is manager. We can load as number of objects as we want. So here basically I have loaded, here it is, manager common set. Here it is. So we have successfully loaded all the three jobs, which is sales consultant, administrator and manager. And this is how can we load the bulk jobs in our HCM cloud, and all about this session. If you have any query regarding this one, please reach out to us at www.bispsolutions.com or www.bisptrainings.com. We will continue in our upcoming sessions. Thank you, everyone.